Past continuous tense, energy conservation in progress. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past at a specific point in time. In the context of energy conservation, this tense can be very useful in highlighting the efforts and actions that people were actively taking to save energy. Let's explore some examples to better understand how the past continuous tense can be used in this scenario. One way people were conserving energy in the past was by turning off lights when they were not in use. For example, she was turning off the lights before leaving the room to save electricity. This shows the continuous nature of the action of turning off the lights. Another common energy-saving practice in the past was unplugging electronic devices when they were not being used. For instance, they were unplugging their devices to reduce their energy consumption. This example illustrates the ongoing effort of unplugging devices to save energy. In addition to turning off lights and unplugging devices, people were also making use of natural light during the day to reduce their reliance on artificial lighting. We were using natural light during the day to minimize our use of electricity. This sentence conveys the continued effort of utilizing natural light for energy conservation. Furthermore, individuals were actively adjusting their thermostats to lower the heating or cooling in their homes. He was lowering the thermostat to save energy during the winter months. This instance demonstrates the continuous action of adjusting the thermostat for energy efficiency. Overall, the past continuous tense can be effectively used to describe the ongoing actions and efforts people were making to conserve energy in the past. By highlighting these examples, ESL students can better grasp the concept of energy conservation practices in progress and how they can use the past continuous tense to communicate about them effectively.